Imagine walking down the street and realizing the police officer watching over you isn't human. It's an ultra-advanced AI Robo-Cop that never sleeps, never blinks, and never misses a thing. Sounds like something out of a blockbuster movie, right? Well, Thailand just made it real, and the whole world is watching in disbelief. This next-level Robo-Cop is patrolling the streets, spotting crimes before they happen, and changing the way we think about law enforcement forever. But is it the ultimate guardian or the first step into a surveillance nightmare? Stick around, because you won't believe how far this AI can go. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the mind-blowing tech shaking up our world. Robo-Cop-styled AI Police Cyborg 1.0 was unveiled by Royal Thai Police on April 17, 2025, in central Thailand, when the Songkran Festival transforms the city into a huge water-throwing spectacular for the Thai New Year. Consider the immobile patrol of Tonson Road in Nakhon Pathom Province by a massive rogue police robot. This isn't just standing there doing nothing. It's wearing the same naval uniform as the local police. Instead, it's intelligent, 360-degree cameras that are always in operation thanks to AI algorithms. These so-called cameras feed real-time photos into an AI system, doing more than just recording. Onboard video analytics chips are also used to process video data from drones, CCTV, and even drone surveillance that is in the vicinity. And these aren't basic motion detectors. We're discussing facial recognition that can flag people with blacklists, crowd surveillance that tracks your movements, and sophisticated filters that can search by, wait for it, color of clothing, body shape. It also identifies blades and wooden sticks and any object that may appear to be a weapon, but smartly excludes water pistols. Because, of course, that's the whole idea of Songkran, right? And it's not the first. In March this year, Shenzhen, China deployed humanoid patrol robots capable of speaking to passers-by and executing voice commands. Looks like the greater part of Asia is in an AI policing arms race. On April 19, 2025, the world witnessed the first ever human versus humanoid half-marathon race, a 21-kilometer, about 13 miles long run through the Yitain district. The race featured 10,000 human runners and 21 Baital robots sponsored by Droid VP, Nautix Robotics, and the Beijing Innovation Center of Human Robotics. All robots were between 1.2 meters and 1.8 meters in height. Some even donned boxing gloves and headbands for good measure. Water stations were labeled for both humans and robots. Humans received water, while the robots were powered with new batteries and modifications performed by their engineers. Well, the robots had no chance. Coming in first, the humans winners claimed the title at 1 hour 11 minutes and 7 seconds. The fastest robot, Tiangong Ultra, finished the race in 2 hours and 40 minutes. Over an hour and a half behind. Others commenced the race, only to fall over. One robot shut down immediately and was unable to move until an engineer grabbed it. Another crashed into a wall, dragging its handler down with it. Organizers made it clear it was more of a technology demonstration than a competition. No one anticipated the emergence of robot technology supremacy. Alan Fern, a robotics instructor at Oregon State University, stated that although many of these demos showcase remarkable acts of agility, such as running and dancing, Fern believes them to be lacking in practical intelligence or meaningful work. These feats of agility are often supplemented by China increasing its investments into artificial intelligence and robotic innovations as a means to stimulate economic growth, in turn, aligning with the U.S. markers and setting up new industrial opportunities. In yet another crazy technological advancement, China has introduced a spherical-shaped security robot that is meant for autonomous street patrolling and suspect capturing. Unlike the existing quadrupedal robots, this one is completely spherical and fully autonomous due to the advanced AI technology. Its most remarkable characteristic is its speed. It is the fastest desert-traveling security bot in existence, moving at a blistering 35 kilometers per hour. This robot can traverse smooth roads, rugged landscapes, and even skim across water. It is designed to endure impacts and falls, testing the limits of robotic patrol design. Experts believe that face recognition and predictive policing algorithms could be added in future versions, increasing prevention and effectiveness, stronger robot patrols. The shift in robotic military and law enforcement technologies enables a worldwide shift in responsive autonomous systems. This technology, along with China's counterpart, set off wonders concerning the ethical approach to employing them, as well as confronting the rapidly evolving aspects of armed conflicts. As the machines mature, there are growing questions regarding their ethical use, potential application in combat, and how progressively trained they should be. Dubai's Micropolis robot. Now, CCTV cameras and facial recognition systems are vital components for Dubai's law enforcement. Covering entire streets and parts of the city is the latest addition to their policing systems. A next-generation set of robotic units that are deployed across the city. Officers now only need to monitor screens interacting with sophisticated algorithms that are looking after numerous tasks at once, such as protecting urban areas and public safety, patrolling the city, assisting residents and tourists alike, recording public infractions, and reporting timely information to the authorities. The United Arab Emirates plans to use AI to policing tourists and goes to Dubai's vision of becoming the world's best city as far as public safety and technology. AI-powered policing will become an everyday occurrence where the public will have sculling trust in the machines after some time. It's worth noting that they are programmed to deal with the public and control the environment by capturing videos and pictures using their supplied HD cameras, interacting through text using facial recognition, and later analyzing the surroundings in real time. The robots use AI for interrogational purposes, able to respond without a human interacting, earning them a higher status in enforcement than human officers. They can process public information, reports and fines in front of them, interfacing with both voice-free payment systems. China is deploying robots that don't just assist firefighters. They can take over when conditions become life-threatening. These robots come as blazes that could pose hazards to the firefighters. One example is RXR-MC-80BD, a robot manufactured by Shandong Giving Intelligent Technology, which is overbuilt for a myriad of tasks. The RXR-MC-80BD joins other rescue vehicles in the increasingly desperate search for new ways to cope with society's multitude of threats, explosions, toxic smoke, and structural collapse. For explosive environment, RXR-MC-80BD works ultra-efficiently as it carries on board both water and foam fire suppressors. Powered by electric motors, this machine is cleaner than traditional vehicles. RXR-MC-80BD is extremely efficient. Constructed with blast-proof housing, no RXR-MC-80BD will ever be shattered by a spark originating in petrochemical plants, fuel depots, or anywhere that holds incendiary materials waiting to be ignited in countless catastrophic ways. RXR-MC-80BD is more than just caution. It is now possible to steer RXR-MC-80BD comfortably even from miles away, keeping the operator far from harm's way. Now, RXR-MC-80BD is not restricted in what parts of Zaporizhzhia he can navigate. He barrels over rugged, rough terrain and sends delicate parcels to every corner of the world. RXR-MC-80BD also includes a multitude of environmental sensors that keeps track of heat, gas, and air, making it a wearable laboratory encased with a fire-resistant shell. In the field of high-risk firefighting, German engineering has created technology that may transform our understanding of disaster response. Let us introduce the Medjuris Aircore TAF, a remote-controlled turbine-powered firefighting robot created by Megas for use in environments that are too perilous for human crews. Aircore TAF is not just a hose on wheels. It utilizes a turbine-based suppression system that can blast 3,500 liters of water per minute, reaching fires over 8 meters away. It is outfitted with an advanced cooling capability that can rapidly bring down temperatures in hostile areas. Aircore TF can be operated from up to 500 meters away, allowing firefighting crews to maintain a safe distance during structural collapses, missile strikes, or chemical leaks. So after seeing Thailand's first ultra-advanced AI Robo-Cop in action, the question is clear: are we ready to trust our safety machines? Is this the future of policing or a glimpse into a world where privacy is just an illusion? I want to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love exploring the cutting edge of technology and the shocking stories shaping our future, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you're always one step ahead. The Robo-Cop era is here. Are you ready for it?